are the two carriers running at night in the rain. There's a plus for y'all who wanted a video of it running pretty much at pitch black and in the rain. So both of them in one. I don't want the first floor to cool it off so fast because I had to put it to 70. This one came on its own, so yeah, I'm gonna have to put this one back to 75. It's starting to pick up pretty fast. A lot of people like to hear the fans hitting the rain, or the rain hitting the fans. Here you go. Alright, I thought I'd just shut up for a minute for you guys. I'm sorry if it's a little, like the colors are a bit off. It's because I have my phone's flashlight on. And I have no choice or else you wouldn't see anything. That's why I don't like to make videos at night too often. I'll do it. But you just don't get to see too much. So, yeah. I have no problem with doing it. It's just something you have to face. Like, it's still kind of getting wet out. So we do have to go by that. Anyway. And I also need to get a video of the LG running in the rain. You can barely see it. Because it's kind of dark out, as you can tell. So, anyways. See you guys next time.